Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to showcase my newly built agency website for you. Before this video I have to tell you I started a new company called TechVist Idea. So my goal is to sell website for customers. If you want me to build a website for you, please feel free to contact me. My information I will provide in my description section. So let's get started. So you can see nice animation will appear. I will utilize GSAP animation for this project. And you can see smooth animation is appear here, scroll animations. So just build the home page, and to manage this home page I also created a dashboard. I will show you that as well. So here is the hero section of the website, then about us section, then this services section and portfolio and testimonial. Here is the latest news like blog post, and this is the call to action section. Customer can write their message, number, email and name and submit. This is also working. If the customer attach his name and email and all the details, then those details we can grab by using our Gmail. Let's say a customer coming to this call to action section, and he or she will attach his name and email and number and the message, and he or she will submit this button by clicking this submit button. What happened is when the customers click this button, I created an email sending function. Therefore we will receive those information via email. So that's what I done. And here is the footer section. And okay guys, now I'm going to show you how you can manage this content by using the dashboard. As you know, I used to build this website. I use Django as a framework. Let's say we want to manage this content, change the text and this image and this content. We have to log into our admin dashboard. To do that, I'm going to enter slash and I'm changing this URL to the man. Now I'm giving my credentials, username admin and my password. So I successfully log into my Django administration dashboard. So now I'm going to click this view site again. Now I'm going to change my URL to admin slash dash dashboard. So this is the dashboard I created for this homepage. So this is like a accordion. Let me show you how this works. Now I'm going to click this hero section. I can click this hero content button. It will direct me to this form. Let me show you. I'm going to copy this URL and paste it over here, and I'm going to my home page. This is my home page. So you can see here, this is saying craft and beautiful web experience. So this is the heading one, and paragraph is explore our services. Likewise, and explore our services. If we update this content, update it and submit, you can see it's updated over here. Now I'm going to undo my changes because I don't want that. Submit, and it will update also. So let's say someone wants to update these contents. This update button will appear. This update button will appear because of I log into the system as administrator. Otherwise, whenever a normal user come into our website, he or she will not see this update button because only this update button will appear to the administrative user. If you know Django, this update button will only appear for super users only. Let's update this as well. I'm going to click this update button. Submit. Now you can see our version updated. Now I'm going to revise that as well. Submit. Now let's go. So this is how you can modify entire website. I just created the home page. If the customer want other pages, likewise, blog section, blog system, and some other kind of system, I can integrate that. So again, if you want me to build a website for you, please feel free to contact me. I can build a website like showcase website, blog website, and real estate website, and much more. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you already subscribe to my channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, please you can subscribe to my channel and like this video as well. Thank you very much.